Tightening your cabinet door hinges and adding bumpers will give doors enough space to avoid the noise and damage caused by the door slamming into the cabinet. You will need a Phillips screwdriver and a package of silicone door bumpers. The bumper size depends on the size of your cabinet doors. For this project, we choose to use the smallest size in our multi-pack. Install the bumper on the outer edges of the door where it makes contact with the frame. You will add 2 bumpers per door. If you notice that your door wiggles a bit, usually you will find that the screws in your hinges are loose. Take your Phillips screwdriver and carefully tighten your screws. Typically, there will be 2 screws per hinge. You do not want to over-tighten, as this will cause the screws to strip. If you have any questions about the instructions in this video, please call HomeGuard at 855-331-1900.